to another video. We will continue with the solution of the January 2024 paper, mathematics paper, and so we are at number 7. Now, the number 7 question is a sequence question. It said the diagram below shows the first 3 shapes in the sequence, which forms a pattern. Each shape is made using a set of small white counters and black counters. Okay, and basically, so we are at part A. It's asking us to complete the diagram below to present shape 4. So basically, in order to do a question like this, it's for us to look at the pattern and then draw the photo shape in accordance to that pattern. So here we have first we have two rows of black, and then we have 2 rows of white counters. But in this case, 1 row, another in shape 2, an additional row of black counters. But instead of having 3, and if you look in shape 3, we have another row, additional row compared to shape 2 of black counters, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 black counters. Okay, and in addition to that, we also notice that we have 3 rows of white counters, and we have 2 rows of white counters. So basically, that's what we are going to do. So in shape 4, remember we are going to need one additional row of black counters. Okay, so we're going to make this black. So the rest is black, so we're making this black. Additional row of black is going to have 2 more, so this is going to be black as well. Okay, so all of these are black, and then below those we have white. Okay, we must have 2 additional rows, so therefore we have 1. Good, and that's our 4th shape. So that's what our 4th shape is going to look like. So the number 7 question is usually a sequence question, so therefore we do not know exactly where the sequence is going to come from, but it's just for you to relax. When you see a question like this, it's to just relax and follow the pattern, and you will get it. Okay, as long as you are using your critical thinking skills, you'll be able to solve a question like this one. We are going to be moving on to part B. So we are going to be moving on to part B. All right, so let's go. So we are to fill out the missing spaces. So for 4, we realize so we just want to follow the pattern for the first. So let's look at number 1. So we have 1 plus 1, one bracket 2 times 1 plus 1 equal to 6. So let us look at 2. So over here represents S. So again, we have 2 plus 1, open bracket, 2 times 2 plus 1 equal to 15. So what do we realize? Is that the S is in these positions here. And again, if you look over in the 3rd column, we will see 2 plus 1 squared equal to 9. So it's whatever S is over on this side, whatever S is over on this side, we see it here as well. Okay, so let's go. And in this, and over here, we see that we have 10, right? How did they get the 10? 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 15 plus 9 is equal to 24. And 28 plus 16 is equal to 44. So that's how we go about filling the last column here. So let's go. So S here is 4. So we're going to have open bracket 4 plus 1. And then we're going to square it. So 4, applying that's our bad mass. We say 4 plus 1 give us 5. 5 squared is equal to 25. So that number there is 20. So 25 plus 45 is equal to 70. So this value over here is equal to 70. Now these other spaces, we need not to worry about them. But so we now need to look at these. Remember, how did we get this 25? 4 plus 1 gives you 5. 5 squared is 25. So obviously this number here is the square root of 144 is 12. So but how did they get 12? It's 11 plus 1. So obviously this S is supposed to be equal to 11 plus 1 gives you 12, and 12 squared is 44. And then when we subtract 144 from 420, we're going to get 2. This right here is what? 420 minus 144. That's how we would have got that. So basically now we're going to be sequence using n. Alright, so I just 3 represent our s, therefore it will be n plus 1 times 2n plus 1. And that's basically how we would have got that. And then this would be what? N plus 1 squared. And that's how we would have got these. So basically that's how we do these questions. Again, these questions, in order to do them, you just have to get a lot of past papers and work these past paper questions and follow the pattern. So this question is about following the pattern, and it's about your critical thinking. And in order for you to do well at critical thinking in the exams, you have to learn to relax. Just relax, breathe, take deep breath, and relax. Just knowing full well that you are able to do this. All right, so have a great and wonderful day and be blessed. We will continue with the solution of the January 2024 paper so that it can help you going into your exams. Be blessed.